What's up guys, today we're going to do a very quick and easy pixelation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This works really well if you're going for some sort of stylized video game or vintage look, but it also works equally well in practical scenarios like if you're trying to hide someone's personal information like a license plate or their address from a shot that you've done. Start by heading over to the Effects tab and typing in Mosaic. Under the Stylized folder here, we're going to drag the mosaic effect onto the footage. It's going to default to just 10 by 10 pixels, which is way too low resolution for what we want. So you can start by dragging those up to get a much cleaner and clearer image of your original footage. Now, if this is all you need, then great, but I suggest making a couple tweaks, especially if you're going for like a true video game look. If you just put the settings to kind of whatever, then when you zoom in, you're going to see that they're not actually square pixels, they're rectangular because we don't have the proper aspect ratio to compensate for that. So you need to make sure that you're choosing numbers that are a multiple of the aspect ratio that you're using. To make that simpler, this is a standard widescreen 16 by 9 aspect ratio, which is what you're going to see with most video. So an easy way to keep that aspect ratio is to do 10 times that. So I'll do 160 pixels by 90 pixels. And now when I zoom in, my pixels are truly squares. If you need a more or less pixelated look, that's okay. Just multiply 16 and 9 by a higher or lower number depending on the look that you need. There's one last setting here that is going to change the overall look to the pixelation called sharp colors. And it does pretty much what it describes. Right now, this look is a lot more true when it comes to the contrast and the colors to what I actually originally shot. But if I want more of the strong pixel look and something that's a little bit more vibrant and looks truer to old school video game consoles, just check that box and you're gonna get a lot cleaner lines and a lot more clarity. This looks a lot more true to what pixel art actually looks like. It's a very vibrant, high contrast look. And if we take that away, it just doesn't have that same nostalgic feel to it. You also get the bonus of having a little bit more detail and sharpness and everything by having that box checked. Lastly, if you just wanna use this on only part of the frame, either stylistically or because you need to hide some personal information, just click on one of the mask options here to create a mask. Then you can drag it and resize it however you need to. And now you have an easy way to, say, pixelate somebody's face or a license plate. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. But until then, I'll see you in the next video.